Hello guys, welcome to Writing Practices. In this video, we'll break down the process of writing a personal loan request letter. This type of letter is often a key step in obtaining financial assistance, whether from a bank, lending institution, or even a trusted individual. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to craft a clear and persuasive loan request, what details to include, and how to frame your letter for a professional tone. Let's dive in. Header section. Your information. Start with your full contact details at the top of the letter. This includes your name, your full address, your email address, your phone number. This ensures that the lender can easily identify and contact you. For example, your name, your address, city, state, zip code. Adding this information up front presents a professional image and avoids confusion later. Date. Directly beneath your contact details, include the date of the letter. The date is crucial for establishing a timeline for your loan request and for tracking communication. For instance, date November 26, 2024. This small but important detail reinforces the professional tone of your request. Recipient's information. Next, include the recipient's details. Their name or the institution's name. Their address, city, state, zip code. For example, recipient's name or lending institution name, their address, city, state, zip code. This personalization ensures the letter is properly directed, whether you're addressing it to a loan officer at a bank or a specific individual. Subject line. The subject line should be concise yet specific. This is where you state the purpose of the letter. For instance, subject, request for personal loan. This clarity ensures the recipient knows immediately what your letter pertains to and sets the tone for the rest of the content. Opening paragraph. Introduce the loan request. In the opening, briefly state your purpose. Be specific about the loan amount and its intended use. Use a polite, professional tone to set a positive impression. Example, I am writing to formally request a personal loan of $10,000 from name of lending institution or individual. The purpose of this loan is to consolidate existing debts and manage my financial obligations more effectively. Here, note the clarity and professionalism. The exact amount, $10,000, is stated, and the purpose is explained concisely. This establishes trust and credibility with the lender. Second paragraph, demonstrate eligibility. This paragraph is where you explain why you qualify for the loan. Highlight your financial stability and any relevant details that strengthen your case. Example, I have reviewed the terms and conditions outlined by your institution and believe I meet the eligibility requirements. I currently have steady employment with an annual income of $60,000, a credit score of 720, and a history of timely payments on previous loans. I am confident in my ability to repay this loan within the agreed-upon terms. Breaking this down, employment and income. Mention your steady job and income, as lenders prioritize stability. Credit score. A solid credit score, such as 720, reassures lenders about your reliability. Repayment capability. Showing confidence in your ability to repay builds trust. These details directly address what lenders evaluate when assessing loan applications. Proposed loan details. Clear and specific. Now outline the specific terms you are proposing for the loan. Use bullet points to make this section easy to read. Example, proposed loan details. Loan amount, $10,000. Proposed repayment period, 24 months. Preferred interest rate, as per your policy. Why this works. Clarity, the exact loan amount and repayment period are specified, leaving no ambiguity. Flexibility, mentioning as per your policy. For the interest rate, shows you're open to standard terms, which is appealing to lenders. Fourth paragraph, supporting documents. Lenders require documentation to verify your claims. In this paragraph, list the documents you're attaching to support your request. Example, to support my application, I have attached the following documents. 1. Proof of income, such as recent pay stubs and tax returns. 2. Bank statements from the last 6 months. 3. A copy of my credit report. 4. A valid government-issued ID, including these details up front, demonstrates your preparedness and willingness to comply with lender requirements. Fifth paragraph. Reassurance of commitment. Here, reassure the lender of your commitment to adhering to the loan's terms. Emphasize your reliability and the positive outcome this loan will enable. Example: if approved, I am committed to adhering to the agreed repayment schedule and fulfilling all obligations promptly. This loan will enable me to consolidate my debts effectively, ensuring timely payments and financial stability moving forward. This paragraph is essential for convincing the lender of your dedication and ability to follow through. Closing paragraph. Invitation for further communication. End the body of the letter with a polite request for further discussion or clarification. Provide your contact details again for convenience. Example: thank you for considering my loan request. Please feel free to contact me at your phone number or your email address if you have any questions or require additional information. I look forward to your favorable response. This shows you're approachable and open to dialogue, which is a positive signal for lenders. Sign-off and attachments. Conclude the letter with a formal sign-off, your full name, and a list of attachments. Example: sincerely your full name. Attachments: 1. Proof of income. 2nd, bank statements. 3rd, credit report. 4th, proof of identity. This reiterates your professionalism and attention to detail, and that's how you write a personal loan request letter. By following these steps, you can present a well-structured, persuasive, and professional loan request that improves your chances of approval. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to Writing Practices, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.